And we're back to HTML SVG. We can also create text with it. Let us use our SVG parent once more. In this case, you don't want to close it inside of the opening tag. So create opening and closing, and inside you place your text. Let me just make it some text as an example. We can't directly see it, so it doesn't work with regular HTML tags. For example, the paragraph, if you put text inside, it's automatically displayed. In our case, it's a vector, so we'll have to define a fill and also the position. Let me start with x0 and y, let's say 50. Fill is red. And now we can finally see this. Let me put it a little bit higher, like here. So I create text using a vector, or we can, for example, transform it easily. Let's say we want to rotate it 30 degrees. In this case, it makes sense to reposition it a little bit as the S is being cut off by the left-hand side of our browser. So we can use these two values to adjust the position. Let me use maybe like 10 and 100. And then we can see properly. We can also create text over several lines within the same vector text element. We use a T-span for that. Let me add some gibberish here. Important is the 1. If we want to have it in a different line, we can simply use X and Y attributes to adjust the position. And we can add multiple T-spans to our text parent. We can easily make these links using anchor elements. We can add that to our T-span text and also to our parent text. So some text in server lines is my example here. And now if I hover over this, you can see the cursor changes and indicates that we've got a link. And this is how you can create SVG text in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.